So hi everyone, welcome back to my live stream. Last live stream was not that successful, so started again. Hey hi Rohit, welcome to live stream. Hi Rohit, welcome to live stream. भैया परसों एग्ज़ाम है. ओके इलेक्ट्रिकल भाई कुछ नहीं होगा, कितने बार बोला हूँ, डोंट वरी. कुछ नहीं होगा, जस्ट चिल, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट. ठीक हो जाएगा सब, पास हो जाओगे. जस्ट चिल. ठीक है. I know you have studied for that. I know you have studied. So just no need to worry about. You will cross that exam with flying colors. So just prepare. I know आपने अच्छा ही prepare किया होगा. Just go write your exam in cool mind. It will work out. ठीक है. पास हो जाओगे, इतना मैं श्योर बोल रहा हूँ आपसे. Okay. So anybody have any doubt in the live stream? Anybody have any doubt in the live stream? ओके वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी. मेरा 12th में 79.6 है. सीनियर्स बोल रहे हैं प्लेसमेंट में एलिजिबल नहीं होऊंगा. इज़ दैट ट्रू? जितना भी प्लेसमेंट का रहता है सब 60% एंड अबोव रहता है. आई मीन टू से 60% थ्रू आउट द करियर. मेरा खुद का 12th में 61.4 था मेरा 12th में. सो इट इज़ नथिंग लाइक दैट. नथिंग लाइक दैट. 60% के ऊपर अगर है तो इट इज़ गुड टू गो. बाद में उन लोग का एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया ही कुछ कुछ का 65 रहता है. लेट मी टेल यू दैट. सो इट इज़ नथिंग लाइक कि आपका तो फिर भी 80% है. इट इज़ क्लोज टू 80% एंड इट इज़ अ, आई वुड से अच्छा ही स्कोर है 80% एंड अबोव. सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट. इवन दो आप अगर अमेज़न तक का भी देखोगे तो वो 60% ही मांगते हैं थ्रू आउट द करियर. So no need to worry about it. Okay, we have one more query. I have 95 in 10th but 79.6 in 12. भाई मेरा 10th में था 90%. It was 90% in 10th. 12th में 61.4. So just chill. 60 के ऊपर है तो it is good to go. ठीक है. It is good to go. No need to worry about. They are saying the put criteria of 999 और 888 in VIT भोपाल. ये क्या होता है? मतलब आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट दिस. 999 888 क्राइटेरिया क्या होता है? अब मुझे आइडिया नहीं है इसके बारे में. कैन यू प्लीज़ एक्सप्लेन अबाउट इट? हमारे यहाँ तो सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ था, 60% एंड अबोव है तो थ्रू आउट द करियर 10 12th एंड योर बी टेक टिल 8 कितना 6th semester. If it is till 60% you are good to go. No need to worry about. और सबका 6 CGPA के ऊपर ही रहता है इन देयर बीटेक टाइप. सो जस्ट चिल, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. ठीक है. नहीं तो नहीं कुछ कुछ इट इज़ लाइक कि 65% कंपनीज पूछते हैं. ओके मीन्स 90+ इन 10 12th एंड 9 CGPA. भाई ऐसे तो सबका तो 90+ नहीं होता यार 10 12th में. फिर ऐसे तो कोई भी नौकरी नहीं कर रहा होता आज के डेट में. ठीक है भाई. ऐसे अगर लोग बोलेंगे कि 90% चाहिए 10 12th में, CGPA 9, तो भाई ऐसे तो हो गया. फिर तो मतलब कोई नौकरी भी नहीं करेगा. तो बोलते हैं कि भाई स्किल सेट मत सीखो, 10 12th अपना ठीक करो. तो ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. इट इज़ नथिंग लाइक दैट. इट इज़ नथिंग लाइक दैट. लेट मी टेल यू, 60% ही रहता है. कुछ कुछ इवन दो अमेज़न कुछ कुछ डिपार्टमेंट के लिए 65 मांगता है थ्रू आउट द करियर. 80% में कभी देखा नहीं. हाँ ऐसे होता है कि बीटेक फ्रॉम अ प्रेस्टिजियस कंपनी, आई मीन प्रेस्टिजियस कॉलेज ऐसे बोलता है बीटेक कुछ कुछ के लिए. मैनेजमेंट वाले वैकेंसीज जो आते हैं, या तो कुछ कुछ बोलता है कि MBA फ्रॉम अ प्रेस्टिजियस कॉलेज, इस तरीके से मतलब IIM वगैरह से. ठीक है. तो इट इज़ नथिंग लाइक कि आप 90+ इन 10 12th या भाई, नथिंग लाइक दैट. ठीक है. जस्ट चिल, 60-65 ही रहता है, 65 कुछ कंपनी, मोस्ट ऑफ देम और 60। ठीक है। ये हाय अमन, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाय अमन, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। ट्रू मोस्टली 60% होना चाहिए, 60% ही रहता है, 60 रहता है, कुछ कुछ का 65 पूछते हैं। तो इट इज़ नथिंग लाइक कि आपको 90-80 तो भाई तब तो हो गया, मतलब इट इज़ far away than anything else, let me tell you that it is nothing like that, so just chill। 60-65 रहता है, और सीनियर्स ये सब कुछ बोलते हैं। मैं भी अपने कॉलेज टाइम में सब यही होता था, सीनियर्स ये बोले, सीनियर्स वो बोले, खुद वही सीनियर्स बैठे हुए हैं विदाउट प्लेसमेंट। जस्ट चिल, लेट देम से, दो कान दिए, एक से सुनो दूसरे से निकालो, जस्ट चिल। और हर कॉलेज का यही सीन रहता है, सीनियर्स ने वो बोल दिया, सीनियर्स ने ये कर दिया, और सीनियर्स क्या कर रहे हैं देखोगे ना, बैठे हुए हैं वो लोग, खुद बैठे हुए हैं। सो डोंट हियर एनीथिंग अबाउट इट। अपने कॉलेज टाइम में भी वैसे ही था कि सीनियर्स टोल्ड दिस टोल्ड दैट एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ्स। जस्ट चिल, जस्ट चिल, नो वरीज। आपका, हाँ, अगर आपको किसी का इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर चाहिए, रियल इन्फॉर्मेशन, देन दे आर दोज हु आर वर्किंग इन अ प्लेसमेंट सेल, मतलब प्लेसमेंट डिपार्टमेंट से जो कोई भी है उनका इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट इज़ ट्रू। ठीक है, तो वही आप ध्यान देना, उसी पे ही फोकस रहना। सीनियर्स क्या बोले क्या नहीं, डोंट डोंट लिसन टू देम, दे आर जस्ट काइंड ऑफ, आई डोंट नो दे आर व्हाट टू से, लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट। अगर कुछ भी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन जानना है, ट्रू इन्फॉर्मेशन, प्रॉपर इन्फॉर्मेशन, देन यू शुड गो एंड टॉक विथ योर प्लेसमेंट सेल और योर प्लेसमेंट कमिटी। ठीक है, वॉट एवर दे से दैट वुड बी ट्रू, बिकॉज दे आर द वन हु आर हैविंग डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन और कॉन्टैक्ट विद द कंपनीज और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो वही हैं जो हैं प्लेसमेंट सेल या प्लेसमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में जो काम करते हैं प्रॉपर वाले, उसमें भी सीनियर्स रहते हैं। एंड डोंट लिसन टू देम। उनके जो टीचर्स हैं, जो भी प्लेसमेंट सेल में हैं, या तो जो भी अथॉरिटीज़ हैं प्लेसमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में, उनका बात सुनो। टीचर्स भी हैं तो उनका बात सुनो, अदर देन दैट डोंट लिसन टू एनीवन। ठीक है, डोंट लिसन टू एनीवन, दिस आर जस्ट अफवाहें, ऑल दैट थिंग। ठीक है, ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी। और 80% इन 12th और 10th एंड 8 CGPA। 8 CGPA भाई, ऐसे तो यार सब हो गया फिर तो। आई विल कंटिन्यू पाइथन आफ्टर मिड सेम। या भाई ऑब्वियसली अभी आप एग्ज़ाम पे फोकस रहो, बिकॉज वो करियर पे, आई मीन करियर ओरिएंटेड है आपका एग्ज़ामिनेशन एंड कॉलेज वाला चीज़, तो उस पर आप फोकस रहो। यूट्यूब में वीडियोस तो रहेंगे ही रहेंगे, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट, और मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम और मेल तो ऑन रहेगा, तो आप डाउट पूछना। ठीक है, अभी के लिए आप मिड सेम पे फोकस रहिए, उसको ध्यान दीजिए, एंड दैट्स इट, दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू से। ठीक है, मेरे को ओवर थिंकिंग की प्रॉब्लम है भाई, सबको प्रॉब्लम है, एवरी वन इन दिस वर्ल्ड। इफ़ यू आर अ ह्यूमन बींग, सिंपल, इफ़ यू आर अ ह्यूमन बींग, यू विल हैव इशू इन ओवर थिंकिंग, दैट्स इट। ठीक है, तो ह्यूमन बींग का रहता है ओवर थिंकिंग का प्रॉब्लम। आई डोंट नो वाई, आई डोंट नो वाई, क्योंकि जितना ओवर थिंक करते हो वो कुछ होता नहीं। आप जितना सोचते हो ना कि ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, XYZ हो जाएगा, भाई कुछ नहीं होता है, लेट मी टेल यू दैट। सो जस्ट चिल, फोकस ऑन योर एग्जामिनेशन, फोकस ऑन योर प्रिपरेशन, दैट्स इट, इट इज़ गुड टू गो। ठीक है, ओवर थिंकिंग करने से कुछ होगा नहीं, आपका ही नुकसान होगा। आई नो, मैं भी आपके जब एज में था या आपके सिचुएशन में था, इन माई कॉलेज टाइम, आई ऑल्सो डू दैट, बट वॉट आई फाइंड आउट कि जितना मैं सोच रहा हूँ, ओवर थिंक कर रहा हूँ जिस चीज़ के लिए, वो होता ही नहीं है, लेट मी टेल यू दैट। सो जस्ट चिल, डोंट ओवर थिंक, जस्ट बी फोकस ऑन योर प्रिपरेशन, focus on developing skills, focus on your examination, that's it। आई मीन कॉलेज एग्जामिनेशन, फिर आपका स्किल सेट डेवलपमेंट, दैट्स इट। ठीक है, दैट्स इट, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट। ठीक, जस्ट चिल, जस्ट चिल। I have also went through the same age, same thing. Nothing happened. Let me tell you, nothing bad happened. I mean to say, जितना ओवर थिंकिंग करता था वो सब कुछ होता नहीं था. Let me tell you that. ओके भैया वन मोर क्वेरी. ओके भैया गोटा गो मिड सेम के बाद आऊँगा स्ट्रीम में. थैंक्स फॉर द टिप. या थैंक्स टू यू रोहित कि आप मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में हैं. थैंक्स टू यू फॉर दैट एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर मिड सेमिस्टर. और एग्ज़ाम क्लियर हो जाएगा. दैट्स माई प्रॉमिस टू यू. ठीक है, दैट्स माई प्रॉमिस टू यू. आपका एग्ज़ाम अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा. जस्ट चिल. ठीक, जस्ट चिल. और हाँ, एग्ज़ाम पे ध्यान दो, उसके बाद फिर लाइव स्ट्रीम में आना. ठीक है. And anybody have any doubt in the live stream? I'm ready to help them out. I'm ready to help them. Anybody have any doubt in the live stream? I mean, anybody have any doubt, they can ask me in the live stream. I can help you out. ठीक. I can help you out properly. Anybody have any doubts, anything? I can help you out in the live stream. Anybody have any doubt? Okay, so let's start with the assignment 8 का answers. Assignment 8. Question 1 is क्या? Write a query to print third highest point with employee detail. Wait a minute. Okay. Third highest point with employee detail. Write a query. या लिखते हैं third highest point in employee details. Sorry, point with employee details for each cashier ID and make sure to give preference to younger employee. Okay, we have one more query. If the cashier ID is having less than 3 employee, so we have one more query here. If cashier ID is having less than 3 employee, then give the first or the highest. Then go with the highest. ठीक है, easy है, we will do it easily. Okay, third highest points. ठीक है, select. Okay, first thing first, let's take and keep all the tables in front of us. Oh sorry, not assignment 1. असाइनमेंट 7, ये सारे टेबल्स है अपने, ठीक है। इसको पहले हम लोग सामने रखते हैं सारे टेबल्स को, बिकॉज दैट्स नेसेसरी। So we have one query, I mean one poll in this. How was your day today? Best day or best of the best day? Let's see what people give in this. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, okay. Hey, hi Kaushik, welcome to live stream. Hi Kaushik. Hi Kaushik. Welcome to. Wait. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. Welcome to live stream. So, is it audible right now? This voice is okay? Audible? Is it okay? Or let me just keep my. Is it audible right now? माइक पास में रख दी हूँ अभी। आई थिंक अभी ऑडिबल रहेगा आपको। आई मीन ऑडिबल अभी रहेगा प्रॉपरली। आई थिंक सो। इज इट ऑडिबल? हेलो 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 हेलो। इज इट ऑडिबल प्रॉपरली? इज इट ऑडिबल? यस, ओके, थैंक यू कौशिक, थैंक यू फॉर इन्फॉर्मिंग। कोई भी कुछ भी डाउट होता है या कुछ भी इश्यूज रहता है लाइव स्ट्रीम में, ऑल्सो यू कैन जस्ट आस्क मी इन द लाइव स्ट्रीम। आई विल कवर इट अप एंड आई विल क्लियर दैट अप, ठीक है। सो just a minute, let me first see, is my live stream good to go? Okay, so everything is perfect, मतलब sound भी सही है and the video is also good. Actually yesterday there was a issue in the network, I mean network issue was there, due to which I was not able to do live stream, that's why. So live stream, ठीक है। any doubt anybody have in the live stream, they can ask me up in the live stream and I will help them out as well. So okay, let's go with the question here right now. So the question is, write a query to print the third highest point with the employee detail, ठीक है। third highest point with the employee detail. Hey, hi Sabir, welcome to live stream. Hi Sabir, welcome. Hi Sabir, welcome to live stream. Hi bro, how are you today? I'm good bro. I'm good. How are you? How was your day? How are you, Sabir? How was your day? Okay, so the question is all about third highest point. The point, I think it's available in feedback table. Let's see. Select everything from feedback table. ठीक है, let's check this out here. Okay, so we have employee points in this. So employee points is available in feedback table and third highest point for each cashier ID. ठीक है, चलो, तो थर्ड हाईएस्ट पॉइंट मतलब ईयर वी विल यूज़ रैंक. ठीक है, रैंक या डेंस रैंक, एनीथिंग वी कैन यूज़. आई मीन सॉरी, रो नंबर, रैंक, एनीथिंग वी कैन यूज़. लेट्स यूज़ रैंक. ठीक है, partition by we will do cashier id. Why cashier id partition by? Anybody can tell? Anybody can tell why cashier id partition? Because in this question we have got employee details for each cashier id. मतलब each cashier id मतलब cashier id के अंदर, inside cashier id how many employees are there, within them we have to find the third highest. ठीक है, within them we have to find the third highest. ठीक. Okay, we have two queries from Shabir. It was great, bro. I got a new job offer. I am gonna resign tomorrow. Hey, wow, yaar. Appreciate, bro. Congratulations, Shabir. Congratulations, Shabir. Congratulations. Congratulations, Shabir. Really, congratulations and happy for you. Okay, we have one more query. Thanks to your SQL and Excel video. Okay, welcome भाई. Thanks to you that you all people have encouraged me. मतलब आप लोग ने encourage किया मेरे को, इस कि आप लोग बोले कि यार इस टाइप का वीडियो बनाओ, इस तरीके का आपको क्वेश्चंस दो एंड ऑल. सो आई मेड इट बिकॉज आई हैव सीन कि लाइव स्ट्रीम में वॉट एवर माई सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड व्यूअर्स दे आस्क, आई ट्राई टू डिलीवर इट. वही मैं आप लोग को पहुंचाने का कोशिश करता हूँ. एंड अगर आप लोगों से फ़ायदा हो रहा है देन आई एम द वन हु इज़ द हैप्पीएस्ट हियर. सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट एंड थैंक यू सबीर दैट आपको ये सारे वीडियोस मतलब सीक्वल एक्सेल के वीडियोस से आपको फ़ायदा मिला. थैंक्स टू दैट, थैंक्स टू यू दैट यू हैव वॉच्ड माई वीडियो. सो थैंक यू एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी. कौशिक द्विवेदी, हिंदी, हाँ हिंदी, इंग्लिश, एनीथिंग एनीथिंग, आप जिसमें चाहो आप पूछ सकते हो कौशिक. ठीक है, हिंदी इंग्लिश आप जिसमें चाहो, आई एम रेडी टू हेल्प यू आउट. ठीक कौशिक, एंड मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू सबीर, मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. ठीक है, appreciate it, appreciate it. Like if you are free enough to, I mean related to privacy issue I am saying, अगर आप चाहो and if you are flexible to share the company name with us in the live chat, it would be good, but depend on the privacy thing. बिकॉज सी क्या रहता है, किसी को रहता है कि कंपनी नाम शेयर करूँ नहीं करूँ एंड ऑल, डिपेंड ऑन योर प्राइवेसी थिंग. इफ़ यू आर फ्लेक्सिबल एंड ओके टू शेयर द कंपनी विच कंपनी यू हैव जॉइंड, you can join. I mean you can tell the company name या फिर in the live chat in the live stream, but it is all on you. ठीक है, if you are flexible and you are comfortable to share with it, you are good to go. ठीक है, and congratulations भाई, really congratulations. So we come back to our question. अब क्वेश्चन क्या है कि हमें रैंक फाइंड करना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द थर्ड हाईएस्ट पॉइंट फॉर ईच कैशियर आईडी. ठीक, तो कैशियर आईडी है अपना थिंग, मतलब कैशियर आईडी के अंदर जितने एम्प्लॉयज़ है उसमें से तीसरा जो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट है जो भी एम्प्लॉय का, वो फाइंड आउट करना है. अब ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि जैसे एक कैशियर आईडी में यहाँ पे जैसे हम देख सकते हैं 4 है, 1 2, मतलब 1 का 4 है, 2 का भी 4 है, 3 का 1, 5 का 1, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ सिनेरियोज आर ऑल्सो देयर कि you will have same points like this. In one we have 100 then 150 so in same points also we will see like how we can deal with it. ठीक है, एंड ऑल्सो इट हैज़ गिवन हाईएस्ट, हाईएस्ट मतलब कि डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में रखना है पॉइंट्स को, वी हैव टू कीप द पॉइंट्स इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, ठीक है। वाई डिसेंडिंग मतलब व्हाट इज डिसेंडिंग, लाइक बड़े से छोटा, हाईएस्ट टू लोएस्ट, ठीक है। सो वी विल राइट एम्प्लॉय पॉइंट्स, ओ सॉरी, order by employee points descending, and let's see what do we get. Do we get something? Okay, so what we have find out in rank, we have got a situation. What is the situation? कि जिसमें सेम पॉइंट्स है, दे आर गिवन सेम रैंक, आई मीन सेम नंबर, लाइक 1 2 2 4, ठीक है। तो वी नीड द थर्ड, और थर्ड के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, सारे नंबर प्रॉपरली अलाइंड होना चाहिए विथ वॉट एवर वी डू पार्टीशन और वॉट एवर वी डू ऑर्डर बाय। तो उसके लिए हमें चाहिए रो नंबर, रो नंबर चाहिए, ठीक है। अब देखो रो नंबर हुआ, ठीक है। अब यहाँ हमें क्या मिला, एक चीज़ देखो, कैन यू सी इट, लाइक इफ़ यू कैन लेट मी चेक वंस, आई थिंक थोड़ा इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा, बट एनीवेज चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। हाँ अब देखो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, जब, हाँ एक मिनट, ये थोड़ा आप लोग को मैनेज करना पड़ सब, ओके मैं इसको रिड्यूस कर देता हूँ, बेटर रहेगा। हाँ अब ठीक है। हाँ तो अब क्या हो रहा है, आप ये सब चेक करो, नाउ यू कैन चेक इट, जस्ट अ मिनट। हाँ नाउ यू कैन चेक दैट कि इन रो नंबर वी हैव रिसीव्ड द प्रॉपर सीरीज, मतलब 1 2 3 4। रैंक पे क्या था, इन रैंक वी हैव गॉट द सेम रैंकिंग फॉर द सेम नंबर, बट हियर इन रो नंबर वी हैव रिसीव्ड द प्रॉपर सीक्वेंसिंग ऑफ नंबर, ठीक है। वी हैव गॉट दैट। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द थर्ड हाईएस्ट, तो थर्ड तो मिल गया हाईएस्ट, ठीक है, बट देर इज़ वन मोर सिचुएशन, यू हैव टू गिव प्रेफरेंस टू यंगर एम्प्लॉय, ठीक। वी विल डू ऑर्डर बाय इन दैट एज वेल। जस्ट अ मिनट। Yeah, so okay, तो कैन एनीबडी से इन दिस लाइव चैट कि what we should do right now to give preference to younger employee in case of tie? So here it is a tie, ठीक है। Here we can see, okay, let's do it on a more proper way, ठीक है। Let's do it on a more proper way. I will write here rank and do the same thing here, ठीक है, but with a rank, ठीक। I will do it with the same thing with the rank, ठीक, to just show you like it if it is a tie or not, ठीक है। एज रैंकिंग, मैं ये एज एलियास जो दे रहा हूँ रैंकिंग का, दैट डजंट मीन कि रोल नंबर नहीं हो गया, दिस इज जस्ट एन एलियास, सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज फॉर इट, ठीक है। नाउ लेट्स सी, अभी आपको थोड़ा क्लियर होगा सिचुएशन क्या है। देखो मैंने यहाँ टाई चेक करने के लिए, मतलब कि सेम रैंकिंग है कि नहीं वो चेक करने के लिए व्हाट आई हैव डन रैंक वाला एक कॉलम, ठीक है, ताकि आप लोगों को पता चले, क्योंकि देखो रो नंबर में वी वोंट बी एबल टू गेट टू नो व्हाट इज़ टाई एंड व्हाट इज़ नॉट, बट व्हेन आई हैव यूज्ड रैंक आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि चलो यहाँ पे दो सेम हुआ है करके, ठीक है, दो यहाँ पे सेम हुआ है, मतलब यहाँ पे टाई है, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस मीन्स इफ आई डोंट सी दिस ऑल कॉलम्स ओनली फ्रॉम दिस टू कॉलम्स, एक मिनट, या ओनली फ्रॉम दिस टू कॉलम्स आई कैन से कि हाँ यहाँ पे दो एम्प्लॉयज़ का सेम, आई मीन सेम कैशियर आईडी में, फ्रॉम द सेम कैशियर आईडी टू एम्प्लॉयज़ आर हैविंग सेम नंबर, ठीक है ना, सो दैट्स द थिंग। तो ठीक है, दिस इज़ फॉर चेकिंग, दिस इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इफ़ यू आर फाइंडिंग एन सोल्यूशन, दिस इज़ एनी हाउ आई विल कीप दिस कॉलम फॉर योर ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड बेटरमेंट, ताकि आप लोग को प्रॉपरली समझ में आए, इसीलिए मैं रखूँगा, बट ये ज़रूरी नहीं है ये वाला कॉलम रखना, आपका मेन कॉलम ये चीज़ का है, रोल नंबर जानना, ठीक है। अब हमें यहाँ पे मालूम चल गया कि रैंक और टाई चेक क्या है। अब देखो, अब जैसे यहाँ पे हमें एक चीज़ पता चला कि टाई है, अब यहाँ पे एक कंडीशन और दिया गया है हमारे क्वेश्चन में, क्या कंडीशन है, मेक श्योर यू गिव प्रेफरेंस टू यंगर एम्प्लॉय इन केस ऑफ अ टाई। तो यहाँ टाई है, मतलब हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा कि यंगर एम्प्लॉय कौन है, और यंगर एम्प्लॉय मतलब 30 को फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देना पड़ेगा, इट इज़ दैट, ठीक है, आई मीन टू से प्रायोरिटी टू द यंगर एम्प्लॉय, मतलब जहाँ पे टाई रहेगा यहाँ पे आप कोशिश करो कि एम्प्लॉय का एज जो यंगर है वो पहले रहे, बाद में जो ओल्डर एम्प्लॉय है वो, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज़ करूँगा, ऑर्डर बाय दिस, अब करूँगा दिस डिसेंडिंग एंड एम पी एज असेंडिंग, ठीक है। अब रन करके देखते हैं कुछ एरर आता है कि नहीं, आई थिंक एरर आएगा, कि क्योंकि मैं भी भूल गया हूँ इसमें क्या करना था। ओके, अब ठीक है। अब देखो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया, सिंपली एक मिनट, हाँ मैं एलियास को नीचे लिख रहा हूँ, मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया, सिंपली जो ऑर्डर बाय का फॉर्मूला है, आई मीन जो लॉजिक है वो मैंने यूज़ किया, क्या यूज़ किया, ऑर्डर बाय एम्प्लॉय पॉइंट्स डिसेंडिंग, क्यों, थर्ड हाईएस्ट मिलना था। अब सेकंड क्राइटेरिया के लिए मैंने क्या किया, यंगर एम्प्लॉय को फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देना था, तो एम्प्लॉय एज से ही हमें मालूम चलेगा कि एम्प्लॉय यंग है या ओल्ड है, इन दैट वे। तो एज को मैंने क्या किया, असेंडिंग दे दिया, मतलब जो यंगर एम्प्लॉयज़ है, हुएवर आर द यंगर एम्प्लॉयज़ आई हैव गिवन देम फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, ठीक है, फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी मिला एंड वी हैव गॉट द रैंकिंग, दैट्स इट। अब देखो यहाँ पे टाई है 100 लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो आप एज 38 को फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी मिला, 40 को सेकंड, मतलब 38 इज़ यंगर आउट ऑफ दिस, आई मीन आउट ऑफ दिस टू सेम पॉइंट्स वाले कैंडिडेट्स में आई एम सेइंग 38 is the younger employee, so they have given first priority, 40 is the older, so second priority, that's the thing। अब तो हो गया, but there is also a third criteria which is if cashier is having less than 3 employee in cashier ID, give the first highest, मतलब अगर सपोज किसी में दो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं किसी भी आईडी में, या फिर आप इधर ही देख लो एग्जांपल, इन थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ कैशियर आईडी देर आर ओनली वन एम्प्लॉयज़, ठीक है, रैंकिंग वन, टाई चेक वन, आई मीन रैंक वन है, क्यों, क्योंकि एक ही एम्प्लॉय है, दो एम्प्लॉय होते तो 1 और 2 होता फॉर द रैंकिंग पार्ट, और टाई चेक में अगर सेम होता तो 1 1 होता, या हाँ, वन वन ही होता ऑब्वियसली. So it is like that. So for this we have to write one more column with a subquery कि कितने एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं हमारे कैशियर आईडीज़ में. व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल फाइंड लाइक दिस, सिलेक्ट कैशियर आईडी. काउंट करेंगे हम लोग नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ इन कैशियर आईडी. जस्ट अ मिनट. देन वी विल काउंट द नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ इन कैशियर आईडी. ठीक है. ओके, काउंट द एम्प्लॉय नेम करते हैं. होगा क्या इसमें एम्प्लॉय नेम में? एम्प्लॉय आईडी करते हैं बेटर. क्यों एम्प्लॉय? एज नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉय फ्रॉम फीडबैक टेबल, फ्रॉम फीडबैक टेबल ग्रुप बाय कैशियर आईडी. क्यों ग्रुप बाय? बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमने एक एग्रीगेट फंक्शन यूज़ किया है. नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बट बिकॉज कि हमें हर कैशियर आईडी के माध्यम से या कैशियर आईडी को प्रायोरिटी देते हुए नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो दिस इज हाउ वी फाइंड इट. कैशियर आईडी सॉरी कैशियर एंड रन इट. ठीक है. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या मिला कि कैशियर आईडी 1 में 4 एम्प्लॉयज़, कैशियर आईडी 2 में 4 एम्प्लॉयज़, कैशियर आईडी 5 में 1, 3 में 1. ठीक है. तो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव गॉट. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग CT यूज़ करेंगे विथ T1 एज विच इज़ द टेबल वन एज दिस. वी विल गिव दिस एज टेबल 2 as this, and then we will write like this, select everything from T1 comma T2 and let's see what do we get. ठीक है. Let's see, we can be wrong but let's see. ठीक है. यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिला? अब यहाँ क्या हो गया? एम्प्लॉय पॉइंट्स. यहाँ पे गलती हुआ है. यहाँ पे वी हैव टू जॉइन. दिस इज़ व्हाट मिस्टेक वी हैव डिड. ठीक है. यहाँ पे हम लोग जॉइन करेंगे. जॉइन T2 ऑन T1 डॉट कैशियर आईडी इक्वल टू T2 डॉट कैशियर आईडी. अब देखते हैं क्या आता है आउटपुट. ओके. सो वहाँ ओके अब सही है. अब देखो कैशियर आईडी 1 में 4 एम्प्लॉयज़ आ गया, कैशियर आईडी 2 में 4 एम्प्लॉयज़ आ गए, कैशियर आईडी 3 और 1 में. दैट्स इट. ठीक. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग क्राइटेरिया को फुलफिल करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज़ द क्राइटेरिया वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट कि इफ़ कैशियर आईडी इज़ हैविंग लेस देन 3 एम्प्लॉयज़ इन कैशियर. wait, if cashier id is having less than 3 employees then give us the first highest. ठीक. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे where number of employee is less than 3 और ranking इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है. अब देखते हैं क्या आउटपुट मिलता है. ठीक है. ये तो एक आउटपुट मिला जिसमें कि लेस देन 3 है, उसमें हम लोग को फर्स्ट रैंकिंग दो. ठीक. और दूसरा क्या क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल है? विच आर दोज कैशियर आईडी विच आर हैविंग greater than 3 because it is not written but it is obvious जिनका भी ग्रेटर देन 3 एम्प्लॉय है उनको थर्ड हाईएस्ट देना है, और लेस देन 3 है तो फर्स्ट. तो वी विल गिव वन मोर क्राइटेरिया इन दिस, एंड नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉय ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 3 देन थर्ड. ठीक. अब रन करके देखते हैं इसको, व्हाट आउटपुट डू वी गेट. यहाँ और दे दो, सॉरी मैंने एंड दे दिया. लेट्स रन इट. व्हाट आउटपुट डू वी गेट. Less than 3 and this. Okay, right now it's good. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या पता चला कि जहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ लेस देन 3 है वहाँ पे आप रैंकिंग फर्स्ट दो. ठीक. एज पर दिस क्राइटेरिया, कैशियर आईडी हैविंग लेस देन 3 एम्प्लॉयज़ give the first highest, or the give us the first employee. ठीक है. Wherever the number of employees is greater than or equal to 3, which is not given here, but this is obvious with our first criteria to get fulfilled, कि print or give us the third highest employee with the third highest points, which means अगर less than 3 नहीं है तो फिर थर्ड हाईएस्ट पॉइंट का एम्प्लॉय का नाम आउटपुट में दो. सो दिस आर द थिंग. नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 3, दिस आर द रैंकिंग. नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ ग्रेटर देन इक्वल लेस देन 3, गिव अस द फर्स्ट. राइट नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट ऑल द डिटेल्स. सो T1 डॉट स्टार, उसके बाद फिर that's it. So this is what output do we get. ठीक है. T1 dot star we have find out, and also we will write T2 dot number of employee. ठीक. T2 dot number of employee में अब मिल गया हमें. ठीक है. तो इट्स डन एंड डस्टेड फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ठीक है. easy question, not easy, kind of tricky question, but it will be worth it. Let me tell you, it will be worth it, because this kind of question na, row number, rank, this kind of question are the favorite questions for, I mean, in recruiter point of view, because recruiter know कि once I ask the candidate about row number, rank, or simple Windows function, candidate will have to take care of concepts like CTE concept, like we have used it here. Also you can see joins का concept with whatever we have used it here as well. This kind of tricky concept and or concept will also be used. So with one question or with one concept, the recruiter will able to find out lots of thing or lots of knowledge, like if the candidate is having or not. Hey, hi Charan, welcome to live stream. Hi Charan, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Okay, we have one more, we have one query, like bro, it took me 5 to 6 hours to complete those 7 8 assignment. 7 and 8, okay, 7 का okay थोड़ा tricky है, no doubt. 8 one is tricky and kind of conceptualized kind of, I mean, assignment. You know why? Because of this Windows function. ठीक है, because of this thing. ठीक, because of this. And let me be very frank with you, it took me also 1 hour to 2 hour to cover up all this question when I was making this question, because anyhow I have to also find the solution and give this to you all. And from this I find out that these questions are good to ask, I mean good to give in assignment, so that your all concept will also get cleared. But let me tell you, once you are having a good amount of practice, it will hardly take half an hour to complete this assignment 8 and 9. Okay? So just chill. And it is good to see that you have given effort for 5 6 hours. So I am happy for that. Like at least you are giving effort, like 5 to 6 hours of effort in this assignment. So it is worth it. Day one it might take 5 6 hours, but let me tell you, same questions if you practice on day 7, it might take 6 minutes to 10 minutes to cover up one question of this assignment, like 5 to 6 minutes, you know. It is hard at starting, but just that's a good thing that you have done it by yourself. So we have one more query. Today I have tried to solve ninth assignment, but I have forgot rolling moving average because of gap of 3 4 days. Okay, no worries, no worries. I will give you the solutions for that. And let me be very frank with you, Charan. If I start doing this question for this rolling average, it will take me time as well. ठीक है, it will take me time as well. So no worries for that, we are on the same page. But I will give you solution. And this thing that you have told, like gap of 3 4 days, if you practice this assignments daily, this fear of forgetting and fear of confidence will get eradicated. So just chill. ठीक है, so just chill. Practice daily at least 2 to 3 assignments per day, like 1 to 3 assignments today, 4 5 6 assignment tomorrow, 7 8 9 assignment yesterday. Like this, if you do it and have a good touch in this assignment questions, your logic will be get like your logic will get brushed up on a daily basis. So just practice it on a daily basis. And these questions are, I would say, the best kind of question that your logic will get brush up on a proper, I mean properly your logics will get brushed up. You won't forget anything. So just practice it every day, I would say. So okay, now any doubts anybody have? Okay, we have one query from Charan Gaming. Like, bro, what is the average salary for DA, and what is the package you have got while working in MNC? Average salary, see, for startups, I would say it is around 6 to 7. I mean, not 6 to 7, 5 to 6 LPA for the startup companies. Mid-level MNCs, like normal, like I would say Wipro kind of MNCs, they would go with like 6.5 7 8. I mean Wipro, Infosys, TCS, like this kind of thing. But most probably they are mostly inclined into 1 year ka workex. But still, if you go with a fresher point of view in this MNCs, they will give you like 5.5 6 7, like this kind of salary package average, I'm saying. MNCs like Amazon and all, starting salary will be 15.5, depend on the interview, because Amazon also take care of this interview series ki your interview is good or you have better knowledge from the interview point of view, then it start from 12. It might start from 10 as well, like 10, 12. But if your interview is good and you are having good kind of explanation, storytelling, as well as good knowledge, and having a good feedback from the interviewer, then it goes to 15 LPA. That is the average for MNCs. I mean, FANG companies, I'm saying, not MNCs. I mean, they are also MNCs, but this is for FANG companies. 15 plus you will get easily. Easily you will get. But everything depend on the interview. If your interview is good, then you have 15. If not, 10, 12, like this. So that's the thing. And also, one best thing about FANG companies is that they will also give you lots and lots of opportunities in foreign trips as well, because wherever you will be working with the stakeholders, you have to go and visit there, like 2 months, 3 months ka visit they will provide. So that's a plus point. I mean, that's, I would say, what we say, uh, one something which MNCs might not give, like Wipro, TCS might not give on the first 6 months of your joining. But these things, this FANG companies like Amazon, Google, Samsung also, like my friends are also there in Samsung, like on first 6 months of their entry in the company, they get to travel to abroad wherever their stakeholders are. Like, even though I have also got to travel in this way, I mean, through company sponsored travel, everything they will sponsor, like your tickets, your food, your hotel requirement, everything. So that is the best thing. So that's the thing. Okay, we have one more query. Or to get the domain knowledge and analyze their business, well, get those trips. No, it is not about analyzing business or domain knowledge. It is just kind of motivation. Motivation in what sense? At least you will talk to stakeholder on a physical way. You will talk in front of them. You will get to know how things work behind the scenes and all. Matlab, in meeting they will tell you each and everything. They will give you domain का data set का, as well as everything they want from you. I mean, everything related to the I mean, requirement, they will tell each and everything in meeting as well. But just a kind of motivation to the employee, they will send you to the location, like wherever your stakeholders are. Like, in my term, they were in Luxembourg, they were in their अरे कौन सा था यार, even though in Dubai also they have sent Dubai for 1 month. I mean, that was a sponsored trip from the company. Even though I have went to Dubai from my side also, but that's a different kind of story. So everywhere, like, first stakeholder was from Dubai. I mean, the finance stakeholder. Second was from Luxembourg. So I have went there, and it is not only for domain knowledge or analyzing part, just for motivation and just to make sure, like, see, physically talking with your stakeholder in front, like, you will talk to stakeholder in front of you in a physical way, that gives a better knowledge, a better understanding than getting a knowledge and understanding of the data set in meeting. You might have analyzed it in meeting, there is a different scenario. But if you, like, you take example of offline and online coaching center. In online coaching, the way of asking doubt, the way of teaching is different vibe, like you get a different vibe. But if you go to offline coaching and you talk to your teacher, you ask doubts to your teacher and you clear up your doubts from that teacher, that will get a different vibe. So that is what differentiated. Okay, that is the thing. So that's what it is all about. Okay, we have one more query. Like, yeah, bro, I am planning to add some NLP and ML model level in my resume to get additional weightage. Yeah, that's a good thing. Recently, I have done my project Amazon review analysis to predict score 1 to 5. Yeah, that's a good thing. You can add it, but make sure, see, this kind of projects are very much interesting and very much kind of curiosity build up kind of projects. I mean, curiosity build in sense of in recruiter's point of view, because recruiter will be happy to see that you are having a good quality project, a good quality knowledge, and a good quality kind of requirement analysis kind of work has been done. So recruiter will be very much happy to see this, and they will ask you question related to it. So my suggestion to you, to everyone, like if you are taking good quality kind of project, make sure you are having a good grip on this, because you will get a good and best amount of questions from recruiter, and that is only the golden chance. Like if you make them understand about the questions, about whatever requirement you have find out and whatever things you have done in the project, they will be very happy to know about it, and they will be very happy to know that you have done a good thing, you are having a good amount of knowledge, and your chances of getting recruited in that company will be much more higher. So projects are good, but make sure you are having a good quality knowledge on that project, means A to Z kind of knowledge about that project. Okay, so yeah, it is good to go. That's what my tip for you. Okay. Okay, so any more doubt anybody have in the live stream? So any more doubt anybody have in the live stream, they can ask me in the live chat, I can help them out. Hmm. Any doubt anybody have in the live stream, they can ask your doubts here, I can help them out. ठीक है. Okay, we have one more query from Charan Gaming. Like only one doubt, bro. I have no particular interest in specific domain like medical and sales. Like so, on the flow, I am moving with the sales. What should I do? See, bro, if you don't have a particular domain interest, no need to worry about. Just focus on building strong transferable data skills that you have learned, like SQL, Python, Excel, and additional visualization tools like this kind of thing. I mean, whatever tools you have, skills you have, ठीक है, focus on building the skills from that tools, from that domain, and start with sales data, since you told it is available and you are also interested in it, and use it as a practical analysis, reporting and dashboard. ठीक है, that you are doing it properly, and just be with it, no need to worry. And see, like let me tell you, I am telling my example, like when I was at your own stage, I was much more interested in supply chain and sales one. ठीक है, and I have also done a lots and lots of project in sales and supply chain. ठीक, so it is no need to worry about it, just go on with those projects, but make sure whatever projects you do, they are kind of different from the other. ठीक है, different from the other. That is what suggestion I want to give it to you. Take. And also, but see, right now competition is huge. During my time 2017-18, the competition was not that huge. So having projects in same domain, it is a good to go kind of thing. But in today's scenario, to see, earlier there was no ATS kind of thing in 2017-18. So at that time HR were like कि ठीक है, they are having project and they are good to go. They will just have a call with you, interview call with you, and there you're good to go with it. But in today's scenario, due to competition and due to so much transparency in internet field, each and everyone will get access to sales, supply chain kind of project, but banking kind of project, retail kind of project are very less. So that is what I'm trying to say, like, to stay out of the crowd, make sure you at least have 2 to 3 project from a different domain, just to stay out of the crowd. That's what I'm trying to say. You do projects from whatever things you are interested in, like medical and sales, but at least to be on the safe side, make sure to do some projects from a different domain. Okay, make sure you do it from a different domain as well, because of competition and because of this ATS kind of thing. Okay, bro, can you share what are the project you have done so that I can get some idea from it? See, whatever project I have done are mostly in supply chain and sales, that I have told you. Supply chain, whatever things I have learned in my workex, whatever things I used to get from my workex, that all project I used to do. That's the thing. That all project I used to do, and that was not big project. Only see, in today's project, if you see my project, it is all about like 5 to 6 kind of criteria we have to fulfill from the freelance point of view. Matlab freelance client has asked us to do this, that, and all. So in this way, if you see, like 5 to 6 kind of questions are fulfilled in a, I mean sorry, 10 to 12 kind of questions are fulfilled in every project. But when I was learning, it was all about 5 questions, 5 kind of simple questions, or a case study kind of thing. Means the project would be having one simple case study, that's it. Means there was no raw data kind of thing, cleaning raw data kind of thing, cleaning duplicacy kind of thing. This type of projects I have not done, because that kind of project I have not got in any of the Google or Kaggle, as well as in Reddit as well. So I was just taking care of whatever case study I used to face. I mean, case study in the sense, whatever challenges I used to face in my company, in my first company, that things I used to take and make it a project. So the project are very short and simple, and these are all available in my this uh, GitHub. But I have to find my GitHub again. And let me tell you one thing, whatever project ideas you are seeing in my what we say, in my YouTube channel, this project are all from freelance point of view, because in freelance it is all about new clients and new challenges and new requirements. That's why I am making projects from freelance point of view. That's the thing. Okay. So what was ideas, whatever ideas I have from freelance point of view, also whatever case study kind of situation I have faced, I will do it in the project, in upcoming projects. So no need to worry about, I will do it. Okay, I will do it. Okay, so bro, can you share what are the projects you have done? Okay, and that I have told. Also, bro, what are the KPIs? KPIs is all about the terms and condition and the SOPs. ठीक है, मतलब see, different stakeholders have different rules and regulation. Like in layman's point of view, it is about rules and regulation. These are all those things. मतलब different stakeholders with different data set will have different rules and regulations. ठीक, so each and every data set, each and not only one data set, sometimes it will be like 2 to 3 data sets will be having one SOP. one data set will be having one sop KPIs, rules and regulation will be there. So it is depend on the stakeholders and depend on the I mean data set. Like one example I am saying what I have used in project as well. You might have seen in Python project I have changed the currency rate, cleaning part. मतलब डॉलर आई हैव करेंसी रेट चेंज टू ज़ीरो करेंसी, मतलब नो करेंसी रेट लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो वन example I'm giving you the real example in Amazon. When we were taking care of US का sellers, also Singapore का sellers, it would always show dollar का sign, I mean dollar currency sign in our sheets, I mean data set. Because finance team, they have their criteria, they have given us their SOPs. Like you will get all the sellers ka detail for US as well as for Singapore as dollars. So the KPI or the SOP was to convert those Singapore dollars to US dollars, ठीक है, and work on it. And this is one kind of KPI or SOP we have to take care of. This is one kind of. There are lots of criteria we have to fulfill, but this is just to make you understand, make you properly understand about these things I am telling. Because see, there are confusions. There will be confusions like Singapore dollar and American dollar. There will be confusions. So what SOP is there for the finance point of view? They have told us, and in their SOP also it has written कि treat Singapore dollar as US dollar and work on the sheet. And when you sent us the sheet with the clean sheet and as well as with the what we say related to the requirement fulfilled wala sheet, when you send that us, they will cover it up and they will differentiate what sellers are having US dollar, what sellers are having Singapore dollars, and they differentiate from their point of view and then they go with the flow. Means they do not want us means we data analysts to get confused between the Singapore dollar and US dollar and then create a hodgepodge and create a lots of doubt kind of thing in the sheet. So to make it easy, they have a SOP and they have told in the SOP and also have written in the SOP like treat Singapore dollar as American dollar, convert it into American dollar and work on the file, clean the file, give us the requirement, and after sending the requirement, they used to convert the Singapore, I mean, they used to convert whatever Singapore sellers are there to Singapore dollar, whatever US sellers are there to US dollar. So these are kind of criterias we have to fulfill and we have to take care of. This is just an example, this is just a SOP kind of thing, okay? So this is just to make you understand there are lots of SOPs and KPIs we have to follow about it, and due to which we have to have lots and lots of meeting with the stakeholders as well. So I hope you understood from this. I mean, see, what I used to think कि data analyst is all about writing queries and all. It is not like that. Data analyst is all about analyzing, understanding the stakeholders point of view or understanding the freelance client point of view. It is all about that. It is all about understanding. It is all about your brain work. It is all about your logic and analysis part. This writing queries, this is I would say just 20 to 30%, but 80 to 70% is all about analyzing, is all about meetings, is all about how you will create a structure that you can get the solution. It is all about that, ठीक है? तो data analyst is all about it. Like this is the only reason why they have called analyst, because you have to just understand, that's it. Understand the thing, understand मतलब it is not like you have to write the query and all. You have to write the query, but that is very, I mean, 30%, or you had said let's take 20-30% kind of thing. Remaining 80-70% kind of thing is all about your logic building, how you will find the answer, how you will find the requirement from the data set, what are the SOPs, what are the KPIs you have to follow. You have to read a lot, you have to communicate a lot, you have to check on the data a lot of times, and also you have to ask doubts a lot to us, to your stakeholders. So it is all about that. Data analysis is all about these things. Okay, we have one more query. Yeah, I also don't have enough communication skills, like I cannot explain my ideas and process what I am thinking of because of inconsistency. It is also becoming a problem. See, let me tell you, my communication is also not that good enough. But once you are dealing with the data, you have find out the insights from the data, you will automatically connect each and every data set and build up a story behind it. So when you will be working on those things, your brain will automatically create a story behind this, and you will be able to, I mean, communicate properly with the stakeholders. Okay. So it is all about working, like what you are working on, what data set you are working on. This is all about that. Okay, it is all about that. Okay, we have one more query also, bro. What will be the process? I mean, will they state the problem like my business are in ruins? So do, when then analyze data, specify what they have to do, increase the sale? Is it that? Uh, kind of. They won't say ki like my business are in ruins. They will just say ki like this is the data. Like one example I am saying, like one example in Luxembourg, what happened, one of the product, XYZ product, it was not being sold and it was being kept in the inventory for longer time, due to which the seller also have to give the inventory charges to Amazon. Also, Amazon also have to keep those product in their inventory, means space consumption will be there. Also, seller money is being reduced, means seller experience is also been uh, going into negative. Plus, space is also being consumed for those products which are not being sold. Suppose a product XYZ. So in that way, our inventory team has told ki can you find out the comparison between when this product was launched, I mean when this product has came to our inventory, ठीक है, and also what are the total sales of those product till date. So in this way, what they can find, like till date how many products are sold, how many products, I mean how many customers from what region have got this product. Plus they have also asked, I mean the return center, RC, in, I mean return center in Amazon had also aligned with this thing, and they have also been asked, like they have given us the data set and told us key to find out the data how many product, means the customer, those who have bought those product like product XYZ, how many are being returned and all. Because just to check like is there is issue with the product, or is there is issue with the customer, like the product is being sent, I mean received by customer on a proper promised delivery date or time, what was the issue behind it. So in that way, what we have find out, like I've told you, we have to talk with the RC team, okay, to give us the detail about the product that is been there in the inventory for longer time. Inventory team was aligned. Also, main thing is the customer team, I mean customer support team is there, who takes care of the reviews and all. Malab, not customer support team, there was a team department who used to take care of the reviews of the product. So we have to get aligned to them as well, to ask them like what are the reviews that customer has given, like is it 1 rating, is it 2 rating, is it 3 rating. Like this way, what we have find out, we have find out region wise how many customer have given 1 star rating, how many customer has given 2 star rating, how many customer has given 3 star rating. Like this kind of thing we have to find it out. And in this way, what we have came to solution, what we have find out at the end, the product quality was not that good, due to which people are happy to buy that product. Like we can see, like the product is being sold from Amazon inventory in such a way, like they are keeping a good amount of stock, but the return was so much because of the quality of the product, and the reviews were not that good, that seller was not taking care of. So in this way, we have informed to seller, like, see, you have launched this product suppose on January 2025. Like your product has came to our Amazon inventory, Luxembourg Amazon inventory, on 2025 January, and till March, suppose example I'm saying 100 units came to Luxembourg inventory January 2025. By January 20, 100 are sold out. So by January 25, the seller has sent us 300 more units, because obviously Amazon will tell your product is being sold out. Please, if you want to continue the product, you can sell us, I mean, you can send us those units to our inventory, so that you will also get revenue, and also you will about to see any feedbacks, like what changes you have to do and not. So in this way, the product are getting stacked up a lot, like 300 product, next 500. But main thing is, what, in return center, in inventory, I mean return center inventory, the product are also being stacked up, like the return was a lot. Okay. So in this way, we have told to our higher authority, to our stakeholders, ki see, product are being done outbound properly, stock is also been locked up, loaded up properly, but the thing is, due to this negative feedback, and due to this return, your return center inventory is also gaining a lot, means the space is being used a lot for the same product, as well as in inventory the number of products and unit are being high. So what you have to do, you have to take care of the quality of the product, so that at least the return center inventory is not stacked up, and also your sales are on a proper way. So in this way, our stakeholder has talked with the seller and told them to take care of the quality, also take care of the reviews that customer are giving, and also to stop sending more product to them, because I mean more product in the inventory, so that the seller don't have to pay for space, as well as they don't have to take a negative impact on the same product as well. So what was the issue, at the end, like one liner thing I would say, RC inventory and also the normal inventory is being stacked up so badly that the seller is like paying a lot of money for the space, as well as customer were not happy. So in this way, this is the thing, like this is how they tell us to analyze data and all, like how they can reduce the inventory size for this product which is not being sold and all. Like this way I'm saying. Okay, like this kind of analysis we have done. So this was kind of like 1 month ka analysis we have done for our inventory stakeholder in Luxembourg, and that was successful. And lots of data we have to take, lots of stakeholders we have to talk with the, I have told, the feedback department who take care of the feedback of the product. We have to also talk with the return center department, in warehouse return center is there, those department, inventory was aligned, already aligned. ठीक है, so 3 departments we have to take care of, 3 department का KPI we have to follow, we have to follow their SOP. Like see, in return center what was the SOP, whatever product are being returned, ठीक है, if that product is been not sold again from the return center inventory, suppose you get this pen, ठीक है, suppose today is what, 8 October, suppose on 1st October this pen has moved out from inventory to outbound to customer, and same pen came back in return to the return inventory, ठीक है, and if the same pen has been not sold in 7 days, means till 7th October, if the same pen is not sold, from 8 October this pen will go to the main inventory, not from the return inventory. So in this way, kind of SOPs we have to follow. We have to check the dates, like what was the RC inventory days the product was there, what was the main inventory days the product was there. So what we have find out, the product that has been returned to RC are not been sold, and they are been stacked up after 7 days to the main inventory. So due to which the main inventory space is being choking, and also the RC inventory space has been choking for the 7 days. ठीक है, so these are some cutoff times are also given. These are the KPIs we have to follow, and we have to read, and we have to analyze data from there. So this is what we have to take care of, and I hope you understood it, because it is all about supply chain kind of thing, ठीक है. So in supply chain, like this kind of things are there, means cutoff time is there also, as well as this inventory choke time we have to take care of. We have to see what product are damaged, because sometimes, see, chocolates kind of thing, ice cream kind of thing, they have a policy like expiry date policy, so these things also we have to take care of. So like this kind of scenario we have to face, and we have to check the SOPs, and we have to check the KPIs. So yeah, that's all about it. Yeah, bro, thanks for explaining. Yeah, thank you, bro, thank you. Actually, this is a supply chain kind of thing, and if you work in supply chain in practical way, na, like in Flipkart and in Hindalco, I have worked in practical way, like how actually things goes on in supply chain, like how things go from inventory to outbound, then outbound to cross dock, then cross dock to the, you would say, last mile, then last mile to customer. Like this kind of process, if you see on a practical way, it is really interesting, and this is the only reason I have got a job in Flipkart, because I was having a good practical knowledge in it. So yeah, this is what experience comes into picture. This is where experience comes into picture, right? So yeah, that's the thing, and I really miss those days, because that time I don't have to take care of the cutoff time in data analysis and all. I have to just take care of the inventory, take care of the inventory work, see the product, count the product, make sure the inventory is properly stock checked, properly details and data are being stacked up. So these things we I mean I have to take care of in my first work ex, and that was really very chill point of view. Matlab, it was interesting and all. The day I jumped into office work, like in Flipkart and in Amazon, it was kind of like politics and all. So I should not tell these things, but yeah, these things are there. So yes, miss those days, but anyways, life is having a different plan for everyone. So let's see. So what's the time? So it's 11 o'clock right now, and okay, let's write the second question. Second question is all about write a query to print top 3 and bottom 3 product by sales in each region. Just a minute, let me drink some water, and then we will continue with this. Hi Jugnu, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream Jugnu. So, how to get project for practice for SQL for data and business analyst? As I am new to this field, no worries for it. No worries for it. Actually, I have made this assignment video, and in this assignment video, you will get all the data set. ठीक है? Whatever data set I am practicing here in front of you, this data set will be there with the questions and solution I will give you after 12 or after 10 in the same link. ठीक है, same Google Drive link. So you can go in this assignment video, and in the description box you can download the data set, whatever data set we are working on. See, these are the data sets like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total there are 6 data sets. So 6 data sets will be available there in the Google Drive link, also with the questions. Like we have 9 assignments, so 9 assignments question will also be there in this video, I mean in this Google Drive link. So you can go and practice all those questions. And let me tell you one thing, as you are new to this live stream, these questions are mixture of interview questions, whatever interview questions I have seen from Google, from LinkedIn. ठीक है. Second is mixture of questions of my experience, whatever, like challenges I have faced in my 5 year and 5 months of work ex plus my freelance clients. That all questions and situation kind of questions I have added in this, plus all the conceptual questions. So it is mixture of interview questions, situation questions, plus challenging questions, plus concept questions are there in this assignment, like assignment questions I mean to say. So once you practice with this, I am like can guarantee you 100% like your practical interview point of view. I mean practical wala part for the interview in data analysis will be 100% good to go, and 100% will be cleared. You don't have to worry about it. But the main thing is you have to practice all those questions. ठीक है. So each and every assignment have different knowledge, different logic building, different concept. So let me tell you one thing, no need to worry about anything. And this is the assignment I have given. Plus you have told project, right? Related to project, we have 3 freshers level 1 and level 2 project in my YouTube channel. That is like SQL, this is Python, and this is Excel. So this project are all, let me tell you all about uh, freshers level 1 and level 2 kind of projects like SQL, Python and Excel, as well as you will get the data set and all. So this project is all about freelance point of view. I mean to say, like email communication will be there, storytelling is there, raw data sets will be available. Like in raw data set, how you clean the raw data, how after cleaning the raw data, how you modify the raw data. Like modification in what sense? In this way you will get emails from client. Like if you check my video, there will be emails from client. In that email, client will say कि remove those duplicate, remove this duplicate, remove this, remove that. ठीक है, this kind of modification. Manipulation will be there. Manipulation in what sense? Wherever, see, null will be there, stakeholder will say in mail कि like wherever null is there, do one thing, write no email at the rate noemail.com. Suppose if a email id column is having null, so you can write ki no email at the rate noemail.com. So like this kind of manipulation work is there. Also modification of data set, like when you get raw data or messy data or bad data, you will see a lot of issues, like the dates are into string format or numeric format, so you have to change the data set as well. So these things are there, like on a practical way, on freelance point of view it is there. So you will cover it all, the you will cover all those things in this project, plus this assignment that I have given to you. you will also to get good amount of practice of all those logic and concept. So please do it, and also you can use this project in your CV, resume, as well as in your online platform like LinkedIn. ठीक है, you are good to go, you are good to use it. Please use it, and that's the thing. ठीक है. Okay, we have one more query like Jugnu has given. Okay, thanks sir, this means a lot. Yeah, welcome brother, welcome, and thank you for joining my live stream brother. Thank you, that thanks to you that you joined my live stream. So thank you Jugnu, thank you for this. Just a minute, let me drink water. ओके, सो वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी फ्रॉम कौशिक सर. आप ओके आप लाइव कब और कितने बजे आते हो, कब तक रहते हो? देखो, ऐसे 11 बजे तक लाइव स्ट्रीम चलता है मेरा. ठीक है. और बीच में मैं छुट्टी में गया था दशहरा लीव में, तो लाइव बंद हो गया था. बट लेट मी टेल यू, हर दिन वी डू लाइव स्ट्रीम. ठीक है. वी डू लाइव स्ट्रीम ईच एंड एवरी डे, सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट. लाइव स्ट्रीम हर दिन है, आप हर दिन आके ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. और इनकेस अगर आप ज्वाइन कर नहीं पा रहे हो ड्यू टू सम इशू, आई मीन देखो, हमेशा ज्वाइन में भी शायद ना कर पाओ. नो वरीज फॉर दैट. आपका कुछ भी डाउट हो आप मेरे मेल आईडी में भी भेज सकते हो अपने डाउट्स. ठीक है. नहीं तो आप लाइव स्ट्रीम में भी भेज सकते हो, नहीं तो मेल आईडी में भी भेज सकते हो. ठीक है, डाउट्स. ठीक. ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी फ्रॉम जुगनू लाइक वन मोर थिंग सर, शुड आई गो फॉर इंटर्नशिप बिफोर टू टेक एनी फ्रीलांस प्रोजेक्ट? नो, इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर दैट. I have got my first freelance project in just 6 months of entry in my first company. Let me tell you, and that time I was on a probation period, I was on a learning period. Let me tell you that the first project what I have received is all about what I have learned in my college. I mean, related to SQL in my college, and whatever knowledge I have gained in my company. I mean, that industrial knowledge we say no, that much only I had. I mean, it is just the basics thing. But let me tell you, the first freelance client took me around 100 to 110 rejections. Then I've got my first freelance client. So that is the thing. So it is not necessary to do not necessary to do any freelance project. I mean, to get internship or something. The main thing what client I mean to say what client expect from you is to have good skills, good knowledge, good logic building, good concepts. That's it. If you're having good concepts, good logic, and if client thinks like, yeah, you can take care of my project, of my requirement, you will get the project. That's it. That's it. Because they have a problem where they are finding a solution, and if you are the one who can give them solution, then they will give you the project. That's it. ओके वी हैव वन क्वेरी फ्रॉम कौशिक, प्लीज़ एक डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल बना दो। डिस्कॉर्ड का अभी तो फ़िलहाल मैंने बनाया नहीं है कुछ, बट टेलीग्राम चैनल वगैरह है, उस पर आप कुछ डाउट वगैरह पूछ सकते हो तो पूछो। टेलीग्राम चैनल है, डिस्कशन ग्रुप भी है। डिस्कशन ग्रुप में आप क्वेश्चंस वगैरह आप टाइप कर सकते हो, चैट कर सकते हो। नहीं तो इंस्टा आईडी भी है, मतलब इंस्टा में उतना एक्टिव नहीं रहता, बट स्टिल वी हैव दिस 3 एडिशनल कम्युनिकेशन का, आई मीन टू से पॉइंट वेयर वी कैन कम्युनिकेट। तो आप टेलीग्राम डिस्कशन ग्रुप या टेलीग्राम चैनल में मेरे को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, कुछ भी डाउट्स हो, कुछ भी हो। बाकी मेल आईडी तो है ही मेरे पास ठीक है ना। सो दैट्स द थिंग, डिस्कॉर्ड का बनाएंगे, बट एटलीस्ट एक गुड अमाउंट ऑफ, अगर हमारे पास सब्सक्राइबर्स या व्यूअर्स रहे तो इट वुड बी बेटर टू स्टार्ट डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल, आई वुड से। ठीक है, क्योंकि कम लोग रहेंगे तो डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल मेंटेन करना won't be a good success, let me tell you. So once we have good amount of subscribers and viewers, we will go to discord as well, ठीक है ना। बट टिल देन आपको डायरेक्ट कम्युनिकेट करना है तो ये टेलीग्राम चैनल है, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है, आप उसमें डायरेक्टली कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो। मैं तो हूँ ही दोनों ग्रुप में, आई मीन चैनल में तो आप कमेंट आउट कर सकते हो, बट द थिंग इज़ कि जो चैट ग्रुप है, आई मीन जो ग्रुप है डिस्कशन ग्रुप, टेलीग्राम डिस्कशन ग्रुप, उसमें ऑलवेज 24/7 ओपन है। आप कुछ भी कमेंट आउट कर सकते हो, कुछ भी डाउट पूछ सकते हो। आई विल रिप्लाई टू इट, ठीक है ना। नो वरीज फॉर दैट। So that's the thing. Okay, so I think it's 11:30, so let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream, ठीक है। Let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream, and बाकी project, related to project, what I am thinking is about visualization in Python. So the next project that you all will receive on November 1st will be all about visualization project from Python. Means the Python project that I have made in my YouTube channel, I will make it as part 1, and part 2 will be all about visualization things, ठीक है। It will be a fresher point of view, means not much kind of means intermediate level visualization things won't be there. Basic visualization things will be there, just like a kind of baby steps, I would say, like one step at a time. Those just kind of introduction to visualization thing, and that too in a freelance point of view, ठीक है। We will do project on that, I mean you will receive project on that, as well as concept videos on these things on 1st of November, ठीक है। So stay tuned for that, and this Python project will be the first part। Whatever project, I mean whatever project you have gone through, same data set will be there, additional visualization things will be added up, ठीक है। So that is the thing, and this will be the part 1, and part 2 for the visualization will be coming on my YouTube channel on 1st of November, so stay tuned for it. Actually I am making questions for that from yesterday onwards, means uh, from 7th, I mean to say 7th of October, and let's see uh, what doubts do we get from there, and what queries what challenges do we face from there. We will cover all those things out in that part 2 project. ठीक है, so stay tuned for that and let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. Okay, we have one more query from Kaushik. Thank you so much, bro. Yeah, welcome, brother, welcome, and thanks to you that you joined my live stream. Thank you, Kaushik, for that. Thank you, Kaushik. So bye bye everyone, good night and take care. Bye bye everyone, good night and take care. So I'm just closing my live stream here. Still any doubt, my mail id is there, you can ask your doubts in the mail id. And till then, bye bye, take care and happy coding.